There's the forest bird.
Right.
That's called a scarlet tanager. And there's a grouse. Oh, that was a woodpecker. That's this guy. He goes digga digga digga. Ooh, the screech owl. There's the screech owl. Ooh.
Gotcha. Gotcha. See?
There's a bird back there. This thing's so layered. It's such a cool look.
Eagle?
Look, Tim. Here's the tundra. Arctic tundra.
Christmas
See
dog.
the baby owl? Ooh, I hear a loon. That's this guy, the loon over here. They're like a duck. Wow, those are some funny noises. All those birds make. Ooh, the cypress swamp. See the yellow? It's a yellow bird. Where's the heron, Tim? Where's the fish? There he is. It's a great blue heron. He's got a long neck. And he's got a fish in his mouth. Oh, there's the owl.
Tree owl.
Tree owl, yeah. There's the grassland. Yeah. There's an egg.
Yum. Yum.
Yum. Oh, I didn't even notice it has the birds here on the back of this. That's cool. There's the page. Pacific Rainforest. This thing is called, oh, that's called a sooty grouse. Yeah, these are ciliated woodpeckers. Look at those are big woodpeckers. Ciliated woodpeckers. And that's a thrush. And that is a Pacific Slope flycatcher.
Yeah.
Ooh, and there's a spotted owl. That's an endangered species. And that's the end. Again. Okay, we'll do it one more time. Now that I know how to ID the different animals. Birdscapes. This is the desert. The Sonoran Desert where the cactuses are. And look, Kenny, this tells us this is called an elf owl. And this is an oriole, Scott's oriole. Ooh, there's a hummingbird. You see the hummingbird? You can get on the hummingbird. This is a roadrunner. The roadrunner. Those are flowers. Those are pretty flowers. Yeah. This is called a nighthawk.
Okay.
And Tenny, these are called quail. These are quail. They're little baby quail. Yeah. Where's the woodpecker?
Yeah.
Is the woodpecker? Ooh, Pacific seabird colony. Wow. These are the crested auklets. These are called kittiwaks. And these are the puffins over here. See the puffins? We call them puffins. And these are called kittiwaks.
Baby kittiwak.
Yeah, baby kittiwaks.
Baby kittiwak.
And And these are called lures.
Where's